Hello children. In this video we are going to see practice set 37. Now here you see in direct variation we write x is directly proportional to y. Therefore x equals to ky. X equals to ky is the equation of variation. In other words, we say x equals to k into y means x by y equals to k, where k is the constant of variation. K is known as the constant of variation. So if I say one is the quantity and another is the number, then quantity upon number equals to quantity upon number. We'll come across with the examples below. First example only. Question number 1. If 7 kg onions cost rupees 140, how much will be the cost for 12 kg onions? That how much amount we have to pay for 12 kg of onions. Let the cost of 12 kg onions be x, which is not known to us. The quantity of the onions and their cost are in direct proportion. As I said, if they are in direct proportion, their terms are written in ratio. That is 7 is to. For 7 kg, 140 rupees equals to for 12 kg, how many rupees? Rupees is unknown to us. That is written as x. So here it will be 7 upon 140 equals to 12 upon x. When we cross multiply, we will get 7 into x, 7x equals to 12 into 140. Then x equals to, you know very well how we simplify the terms. Variables, whatever coefficient is there. For example, here it is 7x. So x equals to 12 into 140 upon 7. 7 ones are 7 20s are. So 12 into 20 will be 240. We must pay rupees 240 for 12 kg of onions. Question number 2. If rupees 600 buy 15 bunches of feed, how many will be for rupees 1280? Let the bunches of feed bought for rupees 1280 be x, which is not known to us. We take it as x. The quantity of feed bought and their cost are in direct variation. So quantity upon cost, that is 615. Therefore, in 1280 rupees, how much? Means x. Cross multiply, you will get 600 into x equals to 1280 into 15. X equals to 1280 into 15 divided by 600. 0 cuts and then simplify it. You will get equals to 32. So 32 bunches of feed can be brought for rupees 1280. Next example. For 9 cows, 13 kg 500 grams of food supplement are required every day. In the same proportion, how much will be the needed for 12 cows? How much food supplement will be needed for 12 cows? So let the food supplement required for 12 cows be x kg. The quantity of food supplement required and the number of cows are in direct proportion. So it is 13 kg and 500 grams for 9 cows equals to x kg for 12 cows. So here 13 kg 500 gram equals to 13.5 kg. Very clear? So 13.5 kg into 12 equals to 9 into x. Simplify this. It will be 13.5 into 12 divided by 9. This will be 13.5 into 4 because 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. Here it is cancelled. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So it will be left here 13.5 into 4 divided by 3. Now 3 1s are 3 and 3 4.5s are 13.5. So when we simplify it, it will be 4.5 into 4 equals to 18. The answer is 18 here. The food supplement required for 12 cows is 18 kg. Next problem. The cost of 12 quintals of soybean is rupees 36,000. How much will 8 quintals cost? Let the cost of 8 quintals of soybean be X rupees. The quantity of soybeans and their cost are in proportion. So quantity upon cost, that is 12 upon 36,000 equals to 8 upon X. Cross multiply again, you will get 12 into X equals to 8 into 36,000. Simplify it, X equals to 8 into 36,000. This 12 will be divided. 12 ones are 12, 3,000s are 3 to 8s are 24. 24,000 is the answer. The cost of 8 quintals of soybean is rupees 24,000. Next, two mobiles cost rupees 16,000. How much money will be required to buy 13 such mobiles? Here, let the cost of 13 mobiles be rupees X. The quantity of mobiles and their cost are in direct proportion. So 2 mobiles 16,000. So 2 upon 16,000 equals to 13 upon X. Again cross multiply the terms. It will be 2X and 13 into 16,000. Therefore, X equals to this 13 into 16,000. This 2 will come in the denominator here upon 2. 2 ones are 2 8,000s are. So 13 into 8,000 is the answer. That comes to 1,04,000. So therefore, rupees 1,04,000 will be the required to buy 13 mobiles. So here we have seen the practice set 37. In the next video, we are going to see practice set 38. Till that time, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Thank you.